Uzbekistan, an often overlooked jewel in Central Asia, has a rich tapestry of cultures reflected vividly through its street food. In the bustling lanes of Tashkent, travelers are greeted by the aromatic scent of Plov, a hearty pilaf made with rice, lamb, and a gentle medley of spices. Not far away, vendors present Somsa, crispy baked pastries filled with minced meat, onions, and an array of spices, capturing the essence of Uzbek comfort food. Meanwhile, the traditional lagmen, a hand-pulled noodle dish, offers a delightful mix of tender beef and vibrant vegetables, making it a popular choice among locals and tourists alike. These dishes not only satiate the palate, but also tell the captivating story of Uzbekistan's diverse cultural heritage.